video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Shopify store in 2025. Backing up your data is crucial, then it gives you a safety net in case something unexpected happens so you can restore your store quickly. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Products. This section contains your full product catalog. One of the most important things to back up. At the top right, you'll see the Export button. Click on it, and Shopify will open up a few options. You can choose to export just the products on the current page, selected products, or your entire product catalog. For a complete backup, I recommend choosing All Products. Next, decide on the file format. Shopify gives you two choices, a CSV for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs, which is best if you want to work with the data later, or a plain CSV file, which is a simpler version if you just need a straightforward backup. Once you've made your selection, click Export Products. Shopify will process the request and send you an email with a download link to your backup file. Make sure to save it securely on your computer or cloud storage. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Shopify products. Regular backups like this can protect your business from data loss and give you peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to check out my other Shopify tutorials for more tips to keep your store running smoothly.